Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and this video comes from Dubrovnik, and Helen is staying at the Valamar properties, and this video comes from this hotel here, the Valamar Argosy Hotel. This is a 4-star hotel and resort, and it's beautiful, and it has 308 rooms. And the views and sunsets here are quite something, and we'll show you one of them later. We'll also have a look at one of the rooms, and there are 4 different room categories here. A standard room for 2, a room for 4, a seaside room for 2, and a superior room for 2, and we'll put more details in the description box below. This is one of 2 affinity pools here. And as well as that, there is a beautiful restaurant and terrace with nightly entertainment, and we'll see a little bit of entertainment later. Dubrovnik Old Town is just a few miles away, and you can actually get a bus from the hotel to the town. If you are staying at this hotel, which is adults only by the way, you can use the facilities at some of the other Valamar hotels, which are all based around this coast. And when I go away visiting, I like to go on a boat ride, and you can get some lovely boat rides along here. Look at that lovely bridge, and this is a popular cruise line area as well. As you can see, some of the cruise liners in this beautiful bay. If you don't want to just lie around the pool, you can take part in many of the activities that take place here. There is a gym, there's also water sports, and a full programme of entertainment in the evenings if you fancy dancing the night away. And this person singing is brilliant, I've got to say. And he was singing a bit of Elton John. And whilst we can't show you the music for copyright reasons, we can show you the performer. And I love Elton John. I'm old enough to remember when he was straight and bald. And the Marella cruise liner passing by. I'd love to go on a cruise, never been on one, would love it. And beautiful sunsets here. There's Helen and Helen's friend, with this lovely sunset in the background.
Just watching the beautiful sunset after the storm.
And from the beautiful sunset, let's have a look into one of the rooms. Nice big double bed there, and tea and coffee making facilities, and wardrobe, and the bathroom. Big shower, toilet and sink. Very nice, all nice colours. Sort of neutral colours, aren't they, but quite cosy looking. And a final look outside of this resort. Thank you very much to Helen, who provided this footage. There's also a Mediterranean restaurant here, and you can use the restaurants and bars at the other hotels as well nearby. And that's about it from the Valamar Argosy Hotel in Dubrovnik. Until next time, thanks for watching, and thanks to Helen, and we'll see you soon.